Hi, I'm Narayomi, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're delving into the world of diet myths, separating fact from fiction to help you make informed decisions about your nutrition. If you're ready to uncover the truth and bust some common misconceptions, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. The world of dieting and nutrition is filled with myths and misinformation that can make it challenging to navigate. In this video, we'll debunk some of the most popular diet myths and provide evidence-based insights to guide you towards healthier eating habits. Myth 1. All calories are created equal. One of the most persistent myths is that all calories are the same, regardless of their source. In reality, the quality of calories matters. Foods that are high in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats provide more sustained energy and support overall health compared to foods high in added sugars and unhealthy fats. Myth 2. Carbohydrates are always bad for you. Carbohydrates are often demonized in popular diets, but not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes provide essential nutrients and fiber, which are important for digestive health and overall well-being. It's more beneficial to focus on choosing complex carbohydrates and moderating intake of refined sugars and processed foods. Myth 3. Eating fat makes you fat. The notion that eating fat leads to weight gain is outdated and oversimplified. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, are crucial for brain function, hormone production, and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. It's important to choose unsaturated fats over saturated and trans fats for heart health. Myth 4. Skipping meals helps you lose weight. Skipping meals can actually hinder weight loss efforts. It may lead to overeating later in the day, as well as fluctuations in blood sugar levels that can affect energy and mood. Eating balanced meals and snacks throughout the day helps maintain metabolism and prevents excessive hunger. Myth 5. Detox diets cleanse your body. Detox diets claim to cleanse the body of toxins and promote weight loss, often through restrictive eating or fasting. However, the body has its own natural detoxification systems in the liver, kidneys, and digestive tract. Most detox diets lack scientific evidence and can be harmful by depriving the body of essential nutrients. Myth 6. Eating late at night causes weight gain. The timing of meals is less important than the overall quality and quantity of food consumed. Weight gain is more closely related to total calorie intake and the balance between energy expenditure and consumption throughout the day. However, late-night eating habits can impact sleep quality and digestion for some individuals. Myth 7. Gluten-free diets are healthier for everyone. Gluten-free diets are essential for individuals with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. For others, eliminating gluten may not offer additional health benefits and can restrict intake of important nutrients found in whole grains. It's important to focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods unless medically necessary. Myth 8. Protein shakes are necessary for muscle gain. While protein shakes can be convenient for athletes or individuals with higher protein needs, they are not essential for everyone. Most people can meet their protein needs through a balanced diet that includes lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and plant-based protein sources. Myth 9. All natural and organic foods are healthier. While natural and organic foods may offer benefits such as fewer pesticides and additives, they are not automatically healthier or more nutritious than conventional counterparts. It's important to read labels and choose a variety of foods that provide essential nutrients and fit within your dietary preferences and budget. Myth 10. Fad diets provide long-term weight loss. Fad diets promise quick weight loss through drastic changes in eating habits, but they are typically unsustainable and can lead to nutrient deficiencies or health complications. Long-term weight management is best achieved through balanced eating, regular physical activity, and developing healthy habits that can be maintained over time. Thank you for joining me as we debunked these common diet myths. Making informed decisions about nutrition is key to achieving and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you found this discussion insightful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and hit the bell icon for notifications because we have more enlightening content coming your way. See you in the next video.